Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 623 Hall Hill Road here in Somers, Connecticut.
Come check out this updated 1810 Charmer, which features 3 bedrooms and 2 baths and over 2,300 square feet of living space, all on over 6 acres. Let's go check it out.
Looking for old world charm and character with modern conveniences such as an updated kitchen, stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops? Then look no further.
This home has been renovated to match its stunning architecture and quality craftsmanship. With white plank flooring, amazing built-ins, and classic fireplace, seeing is really believing.
The stunning mountain views, desirable location, and amenities of this property are truly a one of a kind.
Meticulously landscaped and cared for, this property has it all, including an incredible post and beam barn with automatic doors, horse stalls, tack room, and plenty of room to call your own. You gotta come take a look at this one.
We hope you have enjoyed your personal tour of 623 Hall Hill Road here in Somers, Connecticut. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Wine Garden team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.
It's so springy outside. Thank God. Somers, Massachusetts. Here in Somers, Massachusetts.
Come check it.
It is Connecticut.
Can I know?
Oh boy. Here in Somers, Connecticut.
All over on.
Just do that from the Connecticut.
Yeah. I'm staring at it.
See it.
You are watching a master